how to make Smartsheet looks better, so that is ready to be satisfied on on uh, on the situation. So we are going about here to understand about this on this section is about right now to use. We go see here that is about guys, so we have it on this situation to use bold headers to contents column, to apply conditional formatting on the section to color coding, and then we about here to freeze header, so that on this about here to organize the hierarchy, collapse and child rows, and that is all about here to help you